Breaking gender stereotypes. Number 4, the category of gender itself is fiction. And number 5, gender binaries like male and female or straight and gay are questionable. Gender identities are fluid. Still, according to McCarthy, the link between body theory and women's music extend the issue of popular music's representation of women into a theoretical realm. The female body is a performance site, quote-unquote, through which male dominance is materialized or subverted. The difference in outcome is in the matter of ownership. Are women in popular music able to claim their bodies for their own purposes? Deconstructing and reconstructing gender identity, or do dominant culture ideologies always co-opt and counter these efforts? In Andres et al. In 2017, they say that male characters in music wielded power over female characters, as evidenced by their dominant voice over their female counterparts in singing the lyrics, and an overemphasis on the audience's power and subjectivity to interpret the music videos as the media producers' license to sexualize women, albeit metaphorically. The objective of this group activity, entitled Breaking Gender Stereotypes in Music, are as follows. Number one is to enable learners to understand the effect of language as a tool in reinforcing gender stereotypes and biases. Number two, to provide opportunities for learners to analyze songs, lyrics, and identify messages that have the effect of marginalizing women. Number three, to identify the endless songs that have double meanings and sexual overtones. And number four, to allow learners to create new lyrics using melodies that originally carry sexist messages. Kindly read the mechanics in this page. In part 1, you are to list transformative music. These are identified gender-fair songs, or songs which have meanings that promote gender equality and equity and respect, and similar messages. And part 2, you are to list exhaustively songs with sexual underpinnings. So in the first column, you have to put the title and then the singer or producer plus the year. Write also the biases in the message and the effect on the public consciousness as you perceive them. And part 3, the last component of your group output, is breaking gender stereotype by composing new lyrics. They don't have to be long. They may be a stanza long, or you have the freedom to use your creativity to compose new lyrics that may contain gender fair message, respect for women, gender equality, equal opportunity, and the like. The new lyrics may be in Filipino or English. Okay, good luck.
Appear tayo, equal tayo dito. Ano man ang gender mo, be fair, be fair, be fair. Appear tayo, gender issue wakasan. Ito'y ating tutukan. Be fair, be fair, be fair. Babae mahalin, alagaan, tulungan. Ganun din sa lalaki, pantay ang karapatan. Tayo ay magmahalan upang issue wakasan. Kung ano man tayo ay tapatanggap tayo ng lipunan. Makinig kayo! Okay lang pumayat, Okay lang tumaba. Tanggap ng lipunan ang sukat ng iyong katawan. Babae o lalaki, kahit ano pa yan. Basta't ika'y mabuti at ika'y mapagmahal. Ang gusto ng lahat ay happy, happy, happy. Kaya let's love each other, yan ang aming masasabi.